Okay, so you just always want to make sure that your tape is kept inside its packet, because left out, it can definitely dry out and become not sticky anymore. So when you tape up your hair extension, you want to be touching the actual tape as least as you can with your fingers. Sometimes it can be a bit hard. Line it up and then go along your tape as best as you can. One side, and then flip it over to the other side. You really want to like press it down as hard as you possibly can. Hang on, I don't have any scissors. It's okay, I'll just rip it off. As hard as you can, as firm as you can. Definitely the warmth of your hands will help the tape to adhere to the attachment piece. So if you find that you're trying to peel the tape off and it's not sticking, this is what I do. I'll try and get really close, is get your nail between the adhesive and the actual, this brown piece, and I hold it down and you will see that it will come off. So I'll show you the other side. If you do it without, it can be a little bit hard. Like, there you go, straight off, it's not sticking. So press it down as much as you can and then get your nail right under there, like you can see, and it will come straight off like that. And that is how you get them to stick. Hope that helps.